While long-range missile systems are all the rage nowadays, good old cannons, which pose a deadly threat to low-flying aircraft and enemy morale, are still a force to be reckoned with. The ZSU-23 4-Shilka system developed back in the 1960s, the ZSU-23 4-Shilka system still remains a much-feared anti-aircraft system for pilots of low-flying aircraft all over the world. The Shilka features four 23mm autocannons with a cyclic rate of 850-1000 rounds per minute for a combined rate of fire of 3,400 to 4,000 rounds per minute, capable of tearing apart anything within a 2.5 kilometer, 2 miles, radius. The Shilka self-propelled anti-aircraft system is seen here during a show of modern and prospective weaponry at the Army 2017 International Military Technical Forum, Moscow region.